Another essential report you will get in Reveal is the revenue versus margin by customer type one. It's not a secret anymore that this graph will prove that repeat customers are the gold mine for your business. This report shows you the balance between new customers and repeat customers in terms of revenue, margin, and volume of customers. Generally, this reflects the health of your business. If you have a lot of new customers that bring little money and margin, and very few repeat customers that bring more money and margin, that means your business is not sustainable and you need to increase the number of repeat customers. The revenue versus margin by RFM group report tells you which groups bring the greatest value in terms of revenue and margin, or the lowest. This helps you to identify the groups of customers that are sustaining your business or groups of customers that you need to nurture more. Top Customers Report. Reveal is more than a CRM. Besides the regular customer data, it also splits your customer database into RFM groups, so you can easily check which are your soulmate customers about to dump you or new passions. You can filter and download the customers from different RFM groups anytime you want. The Top Customers Report will tell for each customer what is the RFM group it belongs to, what is the number of orders, revenue, or margin the customer had during the lifetime. Top Brands. This report will help you visualize which brands bring you the highest margin and revenue and the biggest volume of customers and orders. You can sort them by order count, revenue, or margin, or ascending and descending. The same applies for top products and top categories tables. Top products or categories report highlights which products or categories bring you the highest value in terms of revenue, margin, customers, and orders. You can also sort them by order count, revenue, or margin, or ascending and descending. I will start first with the Rfm Segmentation Report. As you probably know, Reveal's main superpower consists in splitting customers into RFM groups, taking into consideration the recency, frequency, and monetary value of their purchases. This way, you can see the customer distribution for each one and how much revenue and margin they can bring to you. You can edit the RFM segmentation scoring on the setup page, adjusting it according to your business model.